Hello guys, you are all welcome back to Prof 1 tutorials. Now today we'd like to look at some few examples under plane geometry 1, or basically angles. In our previous video, we looked at some types of angles, which is acute angle, reflex angle, obtuse angle, right angle, complementary angles, and so more and so forth. So if you forgot it, kindly visit the previous video and you get to understand it better. Notwithstanding, we also look at some of the properties of angles, which is about the alternate angle, which are equal. We have corresponding angles also equal. We have vertically opposite angles being equal. Angles on a straight line, they are also sum up to 180 degrees. Angles at a point also sum up to 360 degrees. So this afternoon, we'd like to look at our first example under plane geometry 1. Now guys, let's get started. Anytime a question under angles is given, it is always advisable you resketch or you redraw. So now let's redraw so that we can get the solution with ease. Okay, now let's look at the question. In the diagram below, AB is equal to AC is equal to CD, and angle ADE is equal to 150 degrees. Find the value of X. Now, from the diagram we have here, it is very simple and easy to get to the angle we have here. Just this angle. So now let me name this angle A. Now we can see that A and 150, they are angles on a straight line. And we know that angles on a straight line sum up to 180 degrees. In that case, A plus 150 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. And the reason is angles on a straight line sum up to 180 degrees. Now from here, when 150 comes there, it becomes negative. We have A is equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees. A will give us 30 degrees, and that will be the value of A. Now from triangle ACD, we can see that AC is equal to AD. In that case, triangle ACD is an isosceles triangle. Why? Because two sides are equal. You see, we've marked this side and we've marked that side. And it will definitely make this angle also A. So A, because for every isosceles triangle, anytime two sides are equal, where they meet down there, the base angles formed are equal. So since here is A, then this angle is also A. Now, let's name this angle B. Let's name this angle B. B here is equal to A plus A. B is equal to A plus A. Why? Because the sum of two interior angles is equal to one exterior. So let me state the reason. So the sum of two interior angles is equal to one exterior angle. Okay, one exterior angle. Alright, now let me give you a brief description. Why and when do we have two interior angles equal to one exterior angle? So let's look at it. So we like to consider these four figures and explain how and when, if we have two interior angles, is always equal to one exterior. So this is angle A, angle B, angle C, angle E. Anytime we have three interior angles, we all know that A is an interior angle, B is an interior angle, C is an interior angle, but E is an exterior angle. Anytime one interior angle is very close to the exterior, we just take it off or we take it out. So when I take it off, we will see that there will be two remaining interior angles, that is A and B. So from here, A plus B is equal to E. That is how we get two interior angles equal to one exterior angle. So angle A plus angle B is equal to angle E. Let's look at the third one, the second one. Alright. P, Q, and R, they are all interior angles because they are found within the triangle. But T is found outside, and that is why we call it an exterior angle. From here, P is very close to T. Because P is very close to the exterior, then we just pick it off, or we take it off. There will be two remaining angles here. So Q and R, we sum up together, and it is equal to the exterior angle T. Let's look at the third example. Alright, so we have M, N, P, and Z. Over here, this interior angle is very close to the exterior angle here, so we just take it off. So the one that's very close to the exterior angle is taken off. The remaining two angles, we put them together, and it's equal to the exterior angle Z. So M plus N is equal to Z. Now the final one. Alright, so we have X, Y, V, and then we have U to be the exterior angle. This X is very close to the U, okay? This is very close to the U, so we just pick it off. When it is taken off, the two remaining interior angles, put them together, and it's equal to the U. And that is that. So now, let's look at what we have here. Now from here, let's assume that the angle here is C. So here C is an interior angle, A is an interior angle, this A is also an interior angle. But the C is very close to the exterior angle B. In that case, let's take it off, just like what we did over there. So when C is taken off, we can say that A plus A is equal to B. That is why we have A is equal to A plus A. Alright. Now we know that the value of A here is 30, so we just make substitution. And 30 plus 30, we have 60 degrees. Because this angle is B, definitely the angle here will also be B. Why? Because the line here is equal to this line. And triangle ABC is also an isosceles triangle. So anytime two sides are equal, you see my hand, when it means the angles forming down there are equal. And the main question is to find the value of X. So X plus B plus B, they are angles in a triangle, and they sum up to 180 degrees. So we have X plus B is equal to 180 degrees. So we have X plus 60 is equal to 180 degrees. Just as I said earlier, angles in a triangle sum up to 180 degrees. So we have X plus 120 is equal to 180 degrees. When the 120 comes there, we know that it becomes negative. So x is equal to 180 minus 120, and the value of x is equal to 60 degrees. Now, in the next video, we are going to look at another question under plane geometry 1. Thank you.